100 push-ups per year. How to make the most of this simple exercise. Committing to doing 100 push-ups every day for a year is a significant challenge, but it can also yield tremendous physical and mental benefits if approached mindfully. Here are some tips to make the most of this simple exercise. 1. Focus on proper form. Maintain a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core and glutes. Keep your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and lower your chest until it nearly touches the ground. Ensure your elbows are at a 45-degree angle relative to your body to reduce strain on the shoulders. 2. Gradually increase intensity. Start at a manageable number of push-ups per set and gradually increase over time. Experiment with different variations such as diamond push-ups, decline push-ups, or plyometric push-ups to target different muscle groups and prevent plateaus. 3. Prioritize recovery. Allow for rest days or active recovery days to prevent overtraining and reduce the risk of injury. Incorporate stretching, foam rolling, and other recovery techniques to alleviate muscle soreness and maintain flexibility. 4. Pair with balance and nutrition. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in lean protein, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Stay hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day, especially before and after workouts. 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any signs of fatigue, discomfort, or pain, and adjust your training accordingly. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from a fitness professional or healthcare provider if you encounter persistent issues or have specific health concerns. 6. Track progress and stay motivated. Keep a workout journal or use a fitness tracking app to record your daily push-up count and monitor improvements over time. Set specific goals, such as increasing your max push-up count or achieving specific variations, to stay motivated and focused. 7. Incorporate variation and challenge. Periodically switch up your routine by incorporating different push-up variations, adjusting tempo, or adding resistance with weights or resistance bands. Challenge yourself with occasional push-up challenges, such as completing 100 push-ups in the shortest time possible or performing a certain number within a set time frame. 8. Enjoy the journey. Embrace the process and celebrate small victories along the way. Whether it's achieving a new personal best or simply maintaining consistency, find enjoyment in the exercise itself and the progress you make, rather than solely focusing on the end goal. By following these tips and maintaining consistency, you can maximize the benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day for a year and achieve significant improvements in strength, endurance, and overall fitness.